Okay, listen. I'm a little late to the game. Okay, this is a newly-ish. Yeah, let's go with that. Newly-ish released Louis Vuitton handbag. I know I'm late to the game. Listen, I know I'm late to the game. All right, don't talk about me. All right, I know I'm late to the game, but let me explain. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button. It's free. It's free. It is. All you got to do is hit it, and we friends. But okay, so I have straight off. When I say straight off, I mean like literally. Probably the UPS man probably left about 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. All right. I was gonna run some errands. Let me tell you what happened. So this bag came out probably a month ago, right? Maybe a little over a month. Maybe give or take a couple days, right? And I had already purchased the mark. Did I? I think. Oh, I was on a cusp. All right. What I'm trying to say is my money was spent. All right. I had got the Marc Jacobs bag. And then I had got I pre-ordered the Keep All from the By the Pool. This is heavy. This is heavy. Let me put this down. This is heavy. I had pre-ordered the Keep All from the Drop 2 collection, right? And if you haven't seen those unboxings, I will link them. But let me get back to the point, because I'm really emotional about this situation. So I was like, I saw the bag and I was like, ooh, I like it. Ooh, I like it, right? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna send it to my husband. So I sent him a picture, because for some reason I didn't see it like on the Instagram, on the Instagram, or like on anybody's socials. I was happening to just be, scrolling through the Louis Vuitton app, and I saw it. I was like, oh, I like it. But I know what I was looking for. I was looking for the the Louis Vuitton Wallet on chain, and then I saw that. Okay, point is, so when I saw it, I was like, I liked it. But I had already spent a lot of coins, and my wallet was like, girl, like breathe. I was like, all right, you right. You right. Hopefully, I got a better idea. I'm gonna send it to my husband, right? And because I'm a queen, he ain't gonna ask no questions. He gonna take the hint. He just gonna buy it. So thinking I got it like that, I sent him the picture. I had no text to it. I had no explanation. I just sent him the picture. Screenshot, boom, sent, right? Thinking he's just gonna buy it, right? So roll back to yesterday, right? So nothing happened since I sent him that picture. That was probably about 2-3 weeks ago. So roll back to yesterday, right? Because I had to look for something else to him, a picture of something else that I had sent for some official adult business. So I was like, oh, I remember this. I ain't had no reply. I ain't had no what's this for. I ain't had no do you really want. I had nothing. Like, he didn't even answer it. And I know he's seen it because it said red under the. So I was like, oh, this a whole no. Like, this wasn't even like this was like a whole no. He said that with his checks. Like, no, I ain't buying nothing. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. So I text my essay and I was like, I want this bag. So she overnighted it to me, and that all I like to say, I got it. Okay, it had just came. Ordered it yesterday. My good sis went ahead and overnighted it to me. Now I took my business off, and I just took my business off. Okay, and then I undid the tape and stuff because we ain't got all day. I got errands to run. We ain't got all day. So this is it. Is it stuck? Oh. Tell why I think it was stuck though. I don't know how. Alright, so let's just take her out. Put her to the side. Because I saw some goodies in the end of the box. Not the end, child. With the bottom. So I got, do I have this one already? A Louis Vuitton 15 magazine. And then she gave me a Sami shopping bag. Okay, that's it. Alright, I'm going to throw her on the floor. So, I think I got a green one. But I appreciate it. Look, that just sounds really unappreciative. I appreciate it. And then the 15 magazine. Now, it's pretty. Like, what's that Beyonce? That was that? Hold on, let me scream through that again. Where'd she go? Child, you know that wasn't Beyonce. But just in case, let me see. Child, I think every black lady with golden hair is Beyonce. She cute though. She cute. Okay, but if you don't know, these make for really good coffee table books. Like when I do have company, which ain't very often, child, I don't be liking people in my space. Cause you know when people come over to visit, you gotta be polite. You gotta share your food and your snacks and stuff. And I don't really subscribe to that. Okay, anyway, okay. So here's, what was that? Was it a piece of cardboard? No, that was the receipt. Hold on now. This box is small. This box is small. Don't ask me why I'm just now noticing. I don't know. It's small. Alright? This I'm a little concerned. Because I know it's a BB. I know it's a BB, and BB means mini in the Louis Vuitton world. However, this box is small. Okay, and y'all know I'm not a fan. Well, I mean, they cute and everything. They cute and everything, right? But I don't really, I'm more into medium to large size bag. Because I like to bring my whole life with me in my bags. You know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't gonna catch me slipping. I need some grease for the elbows. Alright? I need some powder, even though 98% of the time I don't wear makeup. But I carry powder anyway. I don't know. I don't know why. Don't ask me. This is one of the things that don't make sense, but I do it anyway. Okay? I need, just in case my monthly visitor come visit, because she always showing up uninvited. I need the whole house. Okay? You ain't gonna catch me slipping in these streets. Which is typically why I don't do the whole mini bag situation. Right? Like, those are evening bags when I know I'm in and out. Okay, point is, this box looks small, which means the bag is even smaller. Alright, let me see. Alright. I don't, like, why am I scared? Like, what? Who's gonna fight me if I don't like it? Oh. Oh, she's small. Child! Alright. Let me put her down. Oh, wait. It's a perfume sample. What's this? This is Pacific Chill. Oh, wait. That's that blue. Man, y'all don't care about this darn fragrance sample. But yeah, okay. So it's that new bluish green. Not when the bottle ain't filled all the way. Alright, whatever. It's a sample, right? It was free. You can't complain about free stuff. I can't smell it. Hold on, let me smell it. Hold on. Ooh, not when I sprayed it on the dust bag. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do it on my hand. Okay. Oh, that smells good. It smells like a pretty rainforest. Is it meant to smell like that? And it's very unisex. Like, I can see this on a female or... Okay, anyway. I'm saying it like I'm a fragrance expert. Child, let me mess around and have y'all do something and then be like, Rakita, you said... No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay, here she is. Oh, wait, that do smell good, though. Oh, I like that. Okay, here she is. Here she is. Oh, she's small. Oh, she cute, though. But she, look at to my size of my head. And y'all better not say it's because I got a big head. Y'all better not. But look, this is small. Okay, this is the palm of my hand. Alright, but she cute. Okay, so let's get into the out. Now listen, this is the thing. Don't be cussing me out. This is the thing about unboxings. When I be unboxing, I be really unboxing. Alright? Because y'all know sometimes, I'm not trying to throw shade, but I'm gonna just sit you under the palm tree for a minute. Just a little shade. Y'all know sometimes people be like, oh, I'm gonna do an unboxing, right? And then they open the box and they do like the fake surprise, like, oh, I like it. Like, ma'am, you opened that box before. You did. I know you did. Like, point is, okay, this is really my first time seeing, if I'm saying this in unboxing, I'm literally seeing it in real time with you. So I'm trying to check it out just like you trying to check it out. It's okay. I threw all that shade just to say that. Okay, so let's get into the outside of the bag. Alright, I'm going to put the measurements on the screen because I don't know off the top of my head. I don't know. Okay. But it is a Noe. I always get these confused because I have a Noe, right? The original Louis Vuitton bucket bag. And this is the Neonoe, the new version. I think I'm right. Okay. So let me put her here. Alright, so let's get into this. Is the Neonoe and the BB size. It comes with the drawstring. And then the grommets have Louis Vuitton engraved on it. And then one of the tabs says made in Italy. Oh, she fancy. Made in Italy. And then back two grommets also have Louis Vuitton engraved. And then the other tab says Louis Vuitton Paris. So when you pull the drawstring and open her up, she is just like the other Noe, the MM. She has that little child, let me take, hold on, what's this? So this is the strap. I'm gonna put this down for a second. And then this is the handle. Okay. So inside is this maroon microfiber. Oh, that's soft. I like that. It's that microfiber lining. And then it has that divider with a snap closure. And then, so I'm gonna tell you right now, the snap closure, you fit in the card holder. That's it. That's it. What my little, okay, here you go. Okay. So you just fit in the card holder. Alright? Don't get greedy. You're not fitting the full size wallet. So let's see. Textile card. And then here is the, you're like, ma'am, I can't see that. My bad, my bad. Here is the product code number M46581. And then besides the little divider on the inside, it's just a pit. Okay? And then there is no feet on, listen, let me, hold on. Somebody send this to Louis Vuitton. Okay? Put feet in a bag. Now, I done told you 4, 5, 6, 9 times. We want feet on the bag. Okay? Now, you probably ain't gonna pay me no attention, but just in case you do, Louis Vuitton. Okay? I'm gonna say it with my authoritative voice. Put feet on the bag. Okay. So let's get into the strap. Now, this is the first strap that I have like this, right? Okay. Look, I'm studying. I don't know. I think, okay. Now, I done seen this in videos before, Rakita. Act like you do some research. I don't. I really don't. I'm not professional at all. Okay. Okay, so they have snap on either side to hold it in place. Right? Okay, so that's the shortest setting. And then to extend it, unsnap it, and then pull. Yeah, pull. There we go. Then you pull. And then, okay, then it has the snaps at the top to make it longer. So that's the longest setting. Okay, and then Each claw have Louis Vuitton engraved. So let's put this on the bag and see how it looks on the on the longest setting. Boom. Alright. Boom. Alright, so this is the longest setting. And if you're new here, I am 5'8". Alright. I'm on my tippy toes right now so I can show you where it hits. Alright. And then crossbody. Boom. Alright. Now if you want to see it with the shortest setting. Is that? Yep. Okay. Okay. This is my first strap like this. I don't know if I'm a fan or not. I don't know. I mean, if I'm not, if it turns out I'm not, I have other straps I can use from my other bags. But why it's like that though? I don't know. Somebody help me. Help me. Help me, please. Okay, I don't know. I gotta figure that out. But this is the shortest setting. Okay. Now, I can tell you already what I don't like with these straps. Am I supposed to do it like that? What I don't like, you only have two options. It's either on the shortest setting or it's on its longest setting. Like there's no in between. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. I don't know. But like I said, I have other straps that I can use, including my Pochette Matisse strap, where I don't have to worry about all this fascetta, because this is untreated fascetta. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. But it do come with a handle where you just click on the same ring, and that's how that looks. All right. This is cute because you can. Excuse me. Yes. Can I get the Starburst? No. 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 Not the original. I want the berry, the mixed berry. Yes. Yes. The purple pack. Yes. Thank you so much. You know what I'm saying? Like it's easy to. Okay. But I like it. I like it. I'm not sure about, like I said, the strap. But I gotta figure that out. But that is she. So this was $1,900. Before tax, it was $1,900, which is pretty good. This is, now listen. Let's be clear. When I say pretty, because I know $1,900 for a handbag is not reasonable, okay? So when I say pretty good price, I mean in a luxury world. Not the luxury. In a luxury world. In the luxury community, it's a good price, okay? So let's see. Now I'm probably gonna switch it because I don't know, like this, like what we doing here? And I know I'm doing something wrong because it didn't come like, oh, is that what I'm doing? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So the fact that I gotta figure this strap out, that's probably gonna be a no. And I'm probably gonna switch it out with my Pochette Matisse strap. So besides that, I really do like this bag. I do wish it had feet. But Louis Vuitton said, who gonna check me, boo? I guess nobody, because they ain't put feet on all their bags yet. Okay, but of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from your new friend. And then follow me. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.